nakalabas na naman, naka-escape. My dog escape. Cucu. Cu. Hala, may apoy dyan. Cu, malilitsyon ka dyan. Hoy! Bye-bye, Cucu. Cucu, bye-bye. Nakikita niyo pa ba ang tuta ko pagkalit-liit? Cu! Ang kulit oh, balak niyang habulin yung manok. Cucu! My naughty little cutie puppy. Ang daming sampayan guys, oh, hanggang doon. Diba? Ang luwag ng sampayan dito guys. Problema mo na lang guys, sabon panlaba. Tsaka tubig. Cu! Cucu! Ayan na manok, yari ka, yan na manok. Ala, 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 ala. Takot siya sa manok. Kasi yung manok na yon ang dumali sa kanya. Takot siya. Di ba? Marunong natakot. Ang bahay namin guys, di pa tapos. Wala pa siyang mga bintana. Tsaka hindi pa siya masyadong finishing. Cucu! Cucu, come over here. Cucu, don't run so long. Don't run so far. I can follow you. I'm afraid of the snake. Maybe there's a snake there. Cu! Bengayo! Here's your brother. Here's your brother, huh? Your brother cat. You play with the Mengay, the little guwapong cat. Cu! Hala, yan ang puso. Cucu, oh. Cucu. The big orange cat is coming here. You see the big cat? That cat coming to our house every night we are sleeping. And he always eating our menu, our food. That's the big orange cat. My little puppy looking at him. Maybe he remember he saw him eating our food when we are sleeping. That's why